Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite VR on Meta Quest 3. This exciting possibility is achieved through PC VR streaming, as Fortnite does not offer native virtual reality support at this time. We will guide you through the precise steps to bridge your headset with a powerful computer. This method allows you to experience the game in an immersive, three-dimensional environment. Be prepared to transform your gaming experience with these comprehensive instructions. A robust gaming personal computer is essential, equipped with a strong graphics card capable of handling both the game and virtual reality streaming. You will also need your Meta Quest 3 headset, fully charged and updated to ensure compatibility. Reliable 5 GHz Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable connection to your personal computer is crucial for a smooth experience, minimizing lag. Finally, third-party software, like Virtual Desktop or Meta's AirLink, will facilitate the wireless connection between your devices. First, ensure your personal computer and Quest 3 are on the same local network, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi. If using Virtual Desktop, purchase and install it on your headset, then install the companion streamer application on your personal computer. For AirLink, simply enable it within the Quest settings and then on your personal computer's Oculus application. This connection forms the bridge, allowing your headset to display content streamed from your personal computer. Aim for a stable link with minimal latency for the best results. Once connected, launch Steam VR from your personal computer to create the virtual reality environment, which helps manage the display. You can then open Fortnite directly on your personal computer. The game will be streamed to your Quest 3, appearing on a large virtual screen. Keep in mind that this method uses a flat screen displayed in a virtual space, rather than native virtual reality interaction. While not true virtual reality, it offers a deeply immersive way to play, giving you a unique perspective on your favorite battle royale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.